Okay, and we are back now. The other video, I had to take a few phone calls and stuff, and so we were about to call. We got a lead from the last seller, and he said that the property next door, that really needs to be torn down and all this type of stuff. So, and the guy is kind of shady that lives next door. So I went, I skip traced him, I looked up the address, I skip traced him. And we're gonna make a cold call to him. So that's what this video is about, and we'll continue on. We'll see. We're just working through these leads. Okay, so subscribe, like, share it, comment below, and hit the notification bell. So let's go ahead and get your first, buy your first deal, your first rental property. That's what these videos are about. I want you to buy your first rental property so you can, achieve financial freedom. I call these calls financial freedom daily dials. So financial freedom daily dials. That's, I think, going to be the title of this entire strategy for you to reach financial freedom. I want you to post your wins below. If you're making calls, post them below. Tell me how you are getting along with these calls, what type of sellers you're targeting, that type of stuff. Let's create a community, you guys. Let's create a community of winners, of people that really want to achieve financial freedom, financial independence, but they're not afraid of doing the hard work, etc. So let's get on with it. So I'm gonna go here now to my REI skip is where I got this seller, and I downloaded it, create a PDF, and I upload that PDF to my CRM as well. But let's dial the first number here and see if he lives here. I'm going to reference the neighbor. Okay, so his name is Jerry, I think. Larry. Okay, so let me see here. I'm gonna come in here. So I texted him just now, but this is different. I have never spoken to him or anything like that. So we're just literally doing cold outreach right now, cold calling for financial freedom. Cold calling your way into financial freedom. Let's do it. There's no get rich quick schemes here. So if you want to do work, let's do work. Okay. So now we are going to come in here and let's see. Okay, it's this one here. I am looking for. Hello? Please leave your message for 38630. Nothing. I am going to call the next number. This is how this rolls. First number didn't pick up. Let's try the second number here. This is Ben. Okay, and I'm only going to call a few people here, a few numbers here, and see if we can get a hit, and then I will try to do more later. What's his name again? Gilman. Roy is his name. Please leave your message for 386. Okay, nothing on that number either. but I know they're working numbers. Okay, so this service is pretty accurate. So it may just be that it's just like the typical seller. They don't pick up calls. I'm just gonna say, hey, Roy. That's the strategy. It's my strategy. I'm telling you, I get past gatekeepers and apprehensive sellers just by saying, hey, you know, just pretend like I know them. Nothing. That was the last phone number that comes up here. Okay, that's no problem. I will try him again. This is a property that. Please leave your message. This is a property that I need to keep track of here. So I am going to upload the PDF, and I'm going to put the notes here onto Larry, because this is not a lead, okay? So it's just a cold call. So I'm going to put on my CRM, potential lead given to us by Larry, cold called, no answer on all three numbers. Okay, then I am going to see attachment, see attachment. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my kids in the background. They're having a lot of fun. It's real life, you know, it's real life. We are family. We are doing deals. It's a family and stuff like that. This is just real, you know, real life. Nothing filtered. I'm not filtering anything. I just came back from a workout. You know, I told you I'd take some breaks throughout the day to work out, and I'm sweaty and stuff like that, but I'm fully loaded. Check it out, fully loaded. Okay, so link this thing. I need to upload. Okay, that's not gonna let me upload. And I don't want to upload the PDF. So, because I think I have to go through Google Drive or whatever. I don't like that kind of stuff. It's too complicated. I just want to see it. It's not even that important, because if it's not a lead, it's not a lead. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna say rest of info is on. Okay, rest of info on REI skip. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that PDF. I don't need things cluttering my computer. They're very cluttered. Things cluttering my computer as it is. So I try to keep in. It's so important. It's a lot of data, so everything has to stay super organized. I will say is the Achilles heel. If you don't stay organized, man, you're gonna have a tough time remembering anything. You're gonna make a ton of mistakes. You're gonna burn yourself out. So don't forget that. Stay organized, right? So, okay, this video, I'm going to keep it short because it was about that cold call. And I just wanted to show, you know, how to do that. And we got a lead from the previous seller. So watch the previous video, etc. So we're going to come back. We're going to end this video now, and we're going to come back here in a little bit with another video to continue on the rest of the day. So don't give up, you know, keep going. Let's do some wins. Okay, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the content, comment below. Okay, thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.